Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm excited about this today. I know I've been mentioning to you guys for a while about my favorite floor mats. And if you know, I had the OEM Acura ones here. Not a huge fan of them. They don't really protect. And I'm surprised how the fitment is, especially on the back. Like they're cut too short. But finally, the 3D mats are here. If you remember, I rave about these things. I love them. Now they make them for the TLX here. I've had these in my Accord before. I love the texture of them. I love how much they protect. They're a great quality mat. So let me go ahead and open the box up and show you what you get here. So what I like about these guys are they're super lightweight. They have a real nice texture on them, kind of like a carbon fiber look. They're durable. I've had them in my Accord for years. Never have any issues with them. They also use the OEM retaining clip, so they're not going to slide around, and that back grips really well. And they have a high edge on them. It covers a dead pedal. They have a reinforced heel pad there. Really nice quality. And like I said, I've been waiting for these for a while. That's why I went ahead and bought the Acura ones, because I reached out to them and they didn't have any plans of making this back then, but now they have them. And this is probably one of my favorite parts here. They have this little piece that covers the hump in the rear. Because as you guys know, to clean the carpet in these cars, it's really hard. Things stick to it. So let me go ahead and put these in and I'll show you how great they fit. So as you can see, here's the OEM ones. Like I said, they're not bad. They do have a lip on them on the back side here, but then there's no lip on the in the toe area. So let me show you the difference. So check that out. Perfect fit. It goes up around the edge here and goes way up underneath as far as you're going to put your feet. I like these. Like I said, this is the part I've been waiting for some time now, over a year. So I just had to break down and get the Acura ones. But if you're in the market for some floor mats, I would highly recommend these. I really do. I mean, I've been happy with them. I have them in our MDX. The fitment's great. They protect really well. And it is a nice accent for the interior. You know, some mats look real plasticky, rubbery, more like a truck or heavy-duty mat. These things blend really nice. I'm so excited about this. And if you check in the description, guys, I'll put a link. And then my promo code will give you $10 off your order as well, which I like. Save you guys some cash. And this is probably the biggest difference here. So you see this one. It's filthy, of course. I haven't cleaned my car for some time. But you see the dead pedal? Has junk all over it. It's probably scratched up. There's stuff that gets underneath this mat, little pebbles and dirt. Check the difference out. So look at that. 100% coverage. Has the retaining clips, and it covers the dead pedal. So that's the one area that everything got in between the mat here. It'd fall right in the little crack. So I'd take the mat out and there'd be tons of stuff underneath it. So it kind of defeats the purpose. This doesn't interfere with your pedals at all. I know some people were buying mats where they had to cut out little pieces because the accelerator pedal wouldn't go down all the way. Not this. There's no interference at all. I really like how these fit. And so there's the retaining clip, and then you take this little plug and you cover it, just so it has a nice clean finish and no debris gets in there, if you're wondering what those are for, because you will get those in the kit as well. And then I like how 3D mats, they also do it where you can just buy the front set or just the rear set or the complete set. So if you really just want to focus on the back, save some money to cover the hump, and you have kids like I do, you can just get the rear set if you wanted. It's all up to you. So you don't have to buy the full set. But here's the biggest disappointment with these OEM ones. I mean, look at the coverage. I mean, that's the OEM part, and there's a lot of space it's not covering. I mean, it looks like it should use another couple inches just to hit that track. And you can see right here, something just fell off of it. And the hump, of course, like I said, you can't clean these too well. But now check the difference out. There's the mat there. Way better coverage. Goes up the back here. Covers this area that the OEM one just leaves empty. Goes up way underneath here, and it has a little lip. So if you spill a soda can, it'll retain all the liquid in there. And then here's the center, which I love. Covers it completely. So if you have somebody riding in there, it's kicking it, whatever, debris, it won't get stuck to it. Like I said, this is my favorite mat. That's why the only mats I will run are these 3D mats in any car, no matter the price point. I just like how they look. I get compliments a lot when I take my cars in for service. Everyone thinks it has a neat texture to it. And they're easy to clean too. Simply hose them off, put some warm soapy water on them, maybe a light scrub, depending on how dirty they are, and they'll come right off, and you can hose them, let them dry off. So like I said, I'm really excited that they finally released these. They just came out a couple days ago on their website. I'm ready to order. So again, check the link in the description, guys. It helps me out a lot. I really appreciate that. And then that promo code will save you $10 off your order, and it's free shipping as well. So like I said, I have nothing really bad to say about these. I've had them for years too in other cars. And I think you will really be happy with these things. So no matter what car you drive, I mean, the Acuras, now they have them for the TLX. So you guys about those Type S. You have the Integra. I know the Type S Integra is coming out. They make the mats for all those Honda products. They make mats for pretty much any make and model vehicle. There's only a few that I know of that they don't make yet. So if you have a vehicle, more than likely they make a mat for it. So definitely check them out. Again, links in the description, guys. I appreciate it. Hope everyone's having a great day out there, staying safe. Have another video coming up next week. I appreciate you guys' follow through on everything and all the feedback I get. I really do. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks again, everybody.